Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to explore solving equations with fractions using the division property of equality. That just means that I need to keep the equal sign balanced, and whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other, so that that equal sign stays equal. Here I see I have 7, and there's nothing between the 7 and the x, which means that I'm multiplying. And our goal is to isolate the x. That means that I need to do the opposite of whatever the operation we see. The opposite of multiplying is divide. So if I divide this side by 7, I end up with 7 divided by 7, which is 1. And 1 times x is just x. And our goal was to isolate the x, and so that division was exactly what we wanted to do. One way to signify 7 divided by 7 is canceled is crossing them both out on the numerator and the denominator. Now I can't just get rid of the 7 on the left-hand side. I have to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side to keep it balanced. So I must divide the right-hand side by 7 as well. So here I have negative 12 divided by 7, or negative 12 sevenths. And that's our answer. This is an improper fraction, and if I was asked to rewrite this as a mixed number, I can do that by dividing 12 by 7 with long division and finding the remainder. 7 goes into 12 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract gives me 5, and so I have a remainder of 5. To rewrite this as a mixed number, I would do 1 whole with the remainder of 5 out of 7 for the fraction. And now I have two ways, and don't forget that negative. I have two ways of writing my answer, and that's how I solve the equation using the division property of equality.